Alright, and I've got my Kenmore washer and dryer. I'm going to go ahead and show you that they do in fact work great. This is working on a heavy jeans and towel load. It's in the rinse portion of the cycle right now. It's done an excellent job at strong agitation. Everything on it works like new. What I'm going to do is let it get up to that spin cycle so you can hear it running at full speed on the spin. Show you that the clothes have been spun out so there's no excess water in them. And then we'll move them over to the dryer and let you hear the dryer and see that everything on it is working properly. I'll try to keep this video short. Go ahead and show you the agitation. The agitation does in fact work great. Lid switch works. Real strong agitation there. Okay, and here we are. Final spin. It's up to full blast right now. It's nice and smooth. Spinning nice and fast. Sounds great. We'll let that finish up and we'll come right back to it. Okay, and we have finished up. I'd like to show you, just pulling these out here, that they are nice and light. There's no excess water in them at all. There's a big towel here. Excellent, nice and light. So what we can do is go ahead and get those moved over to the dryer and show you that the dryer works good. Okay, so I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer now, and close that up. You see the light works in there good. We'll put it on auto dry, high heat. Hit the start button. Let it run for just a sec. You can see it sounds great. It's nice, smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it does in fact heat. Whatever the little red light shines on gives you the surface temperature. So we'll go ahead and open this up and shoot it right inside the heating element tube. Nice and hot in there. No problem with the heat whatsoever. So the inside temperature will run anywhere from 100 to 195 depending on what setting you put it on. Right now we're just testing out the high heat just to show you that it is heating properly. Give that just a sec to heat up. I try to keep these videos short, so here we go. And still heating perfectly. There you go. So we'll let those dry. I'll go ahead and get this paired up with the washer. We'll get it listed for sale, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Otherwise, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.